Okay, so now let's try this problem. It says an arc of a circle makes a 36-degree angle at its center. If the arc length is 26, find the radius. So if you need a visual, you could totally draw. Your arc is going to be something like this, and we know that it's 36 degrees, and we know that the arc length is 26. Because it gives us the arc length, we can use our formula. We know our formula is theta over 360 times 2 pi r. And so we know the 36 over 360, and we know, and like this is our arc length. I'm just going to label it as A. We know that that is 36. No, we don't. It's 26. Sorry. It's 26. And times 2 pi r. So we need to multiply this to be able to then finish solving. So I ended up changing this to a decimal. So we have 26 equals 0.1 times 2 pi r. And to get r by itself, I would have to divide by 0.1 times 2 pi, like that whole chunk there, which would really be the same thing as saying 0.2 pi. So if I divide both sides by 0.2 pi, I end up with 41.4 is equal to your r, and then I believe it's in centimeters. So 41.4 centimeters would be our radius here. Okay, let's do another one. It says the sector of a circle makes a 127-degree angle, and it says find the length, or the sector length is 36 millimeters, and it says find the perimeter. So again, it makes 127 degrees, so there's 127, the arc is 36, and we need to find the perimeter. But we know that these two are the same because those are our radius. So again, our arc length is going to be 127 over 360 times 2 pi r, and this we know is 36. So if we take this and we want to get r by itself, we're going to divide by that 127 over 360 times 2 pi. So divide both sides by that. 127 over 360 times 2 pi. And you end up getting r equals 16.2. Now it says to find the perimeter. So if this is 16.2 and this is 16.2, I need to add all three of these together. And so my perimeter, when I add those together, we get 68.4 millimeters. And there's your perimeter. Okay, and let's take a look at one more problem. It says find the radius of the sector with an angle, degrees, and area. So here, our area formula is our theta over 360 times pi r squared. So 16.2 is the area. We know the angle is 67, and then it says pi r squared. So we want to divide both sides by 67 over 360 pi. And that cancels out. I'm going to come over here. We have r squared is equal to 27.71. And then we have to take the square root of both sides to get r by itself. And r is 5.26 when we do that. So it says find the radius. So that's our answer. And we just need centimeters. And there's how you find your radius. So there's your circles, arcs, and sectors.